are you telling your father?
Thank you.
Thank you what?
I love you. You won't open. You won't open. Okay, I got it.
What's in there?
A bag.
What else? A lens?
I don't know. Is it a lens?
It says a lens on it.
Yeah, it's got a lens. And another lens. I don't want to break those. You can have that because I'll lose it. I got some straps. And camera.
I guess you don't have to rent yours from your school anymore, huh?
No, I don't.
You excited?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna go take pictures.
What do you say to your dad?
I love you.
Thank
Thank you. I love you. A lot.
you. A lot.
A lot.
Hey, say Merry Christmas and love you.
I love you. Merry Christmas.